looking for new premises to improve the flow of our work. The benches came from Alwayse. The modular system was the ideal solution within our lean process.
Moving forward, we wanted to work assembly using production lines. So we searched things that would pass product along a production line, and Alwayse came up. They said we could produce something modular in-house, the whole solution from bench to moving the components along. It's helped us a lot in terms of speed throughout the line, and it's helped with manual handling, with health and safety, eliminating back problems, things like that.
We found that the ball tables have increased profitability for us and making life a lot easier for the assembly guys to run a good process.